Ever noticed your colors don't always quite match up perfectly when you move between Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of color discrepancies between these two powerhouses of the Adobe Creative Suite, unraveling why hex codes can sometimes behave differently in Illustrator versus Photoshop. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Illustrator and Photoshop are built for different core purposes. Illustrator, being vector-based, excels in creating resolution-independent graphics, think logos, and illustrations. Photoshop, a raster-based program, focuses on pixel manipulation, perfect for photo editing and complex imagery. This inherent difference impacts how color is managed. Step 2. Setting up color settings. The most common culprit is your color settings in Illustrator and Photoshop. Explore your color settings, make sure they're harmonized if possible. Adopt a standard, such as the US Web-Coded Swap v2 profile for print or sRGB for web projects. Ensure color profiles are consistent across both programs. Step 3. The color conversion process when translating between the different vector and raster spaces. A slight color conversion takes place. This is mostly due to different ways of rendering color, impacting tiny variations in the hex values that may be imperceptible to the human eye. Remember, these differences are usually marginal, that can add up. Step for the fix. The goal is perfect matches. Double check your color settings and be mindful of file export formats. If you notice differences after moving between apps, visually compare with the eyedropper to confirm and adjust manually. Small adjustments are often all it takes for design accuracy. Good color management creates consistency, resulting in polished professional results.